did come off over the past week or so, moved again higher overnight.
Yeah.
And of course, that's a killer just as far as growth is concerned at the moment with those higher energy costs.
Absolutely, Andrew. We got a 115 handle for Brent, 110 for WTI. It got spanked down last week, and then all of a sudden Friday it was off to the races. Came off $1 or $2 in Asia trade early yesterday morning, I noticed, out of Singapore, and then all of a sudden it's back up. And I truly believe, in my heart, and the conviction is that it's just the big hedge funds and traders are playing with it. You know, it's running between with it 103, 104, back to 120. We're back up there now at 115, so I won't be surprised to take a 120 handle out sometime later this week. I think it's got their continuation as far as, positive sentiment, and it's just a trader's delight. Huge volatility swings, and that's what everyone wants, movement.
Pete, gold. The gold miners were smashed yesterday.
Yeah.
Certainly off the back of Evolution missing targets there, and the broader market was hit as a result, obviously with those rising costs at the same time. Specifically, though, what are you seeing with the gold price and where that's likely to go, depending, I guess, on where inflation goes or whether we tip into recession?
Well, exactly right, Andrew. I mean, all of those big global themes need to be considered when you're looking at something like, gold and the price of it. I think we're still bullish. I think the world's bullish, but it's just at the moment there just doesn't seem, everyone's king dollar and they're trading the dollar, and there doesn't seem to be any other game in town at the moment. But gold's still sitting at 1823. I think it's got up, better legs in the second half of the year. I wouldn't be surprised. Again, a 1950 to 2000 handle, but at the moment there doesn't seem to be a lot of light shining on it. But I think the overall sentiment is going to be positive, and let's just see how it plays up to Christmas.
All right, so yeah, when you're looking at that chart there, you see the potential for positive moves.
I do, Andrew, but I also see, it's very much range bound, and that chart really demonstrates that. It's in a channel. There doesn't seem to be a breakout either side, and it's just, there are other markets to trade at the moment, but I really do think that the overall tone is going to be positive and sentiment's going to drive it higher because of uncertainty, inflation, interest rates, and a whole host of other things that are going to play out. Keep an eye on the BRICS++.